What's up, everyone? This is going to be an unboxing video of NUTRiBULLET. The front of the box. And this is what the box has inside. Yes, guys, I'm going to start juicing up. Hopefully everything goes good. And I stick with it. Alrighty. Okay, the back of the box. That's how it looks. Of course, the side of the box. That's what it comes with. Okay. And then the other side of the box. A little bit of reading right there about what the blender can do. Okay, and now the inside of the box on what it contains. Okay, when you first open it, comes with little pamphlets. Alrighty, comes with this pamphlet right here. And then it comes with this other pamphlet. And then I guess it comes with your little recipe book plus, I'm guessing, a little pocket recipe book or some notes. And a little card on some 30-day trial thing. I don't know what it is, but yeah. Okay, and then it comes with a little step-by-step important information right here. Okay, and now to the main thing. Let's see if I can take this out with one hand. Alright, okay. Drop this down. Nothing else. Okay. Let's see here. Drop this down. Okay, alright. Nice. Comes with, of course, the machine, the blade. Let's take this out, shall we? Okay, alright, it's pretty awesome. Cool. Caution. It's pretty nice. I like it. Okay, put that aside. We have a serving cup. It's pretty nice. Does it have measurements? Yeah, it has measurements. I guess this is a serving cup and a mixing cup. Put that there. And then we have another little small mixing cup right here with, I'm checking to see if it has any measurements on here. Nope. Oh yes, it does right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, there you go. Okay. And the machine itself. Oh yeah, it has some weight to it. The cord. Take this out. Okay. The inside of it. Alright. Okay, the front side of it. It's really, really nice. The Magic Bullet. Alright, well, that's the unboxing of this product right here. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. I'm going to record some videos on the shakes I'm going to be making also in the future. Alright, thanks for watching.